Hello and welcome to my videos.
So I'm going to show you how to securely wipe folders and their contents. So for this we're not going to use the command line, but we'll use the program Bleach Bit. Got a folder inside this folder with all our files in, and we want to delete this folder. Now we know that if we delete the folder, the files will still remain available to specialist software. So what we need to do, as I said, we need to use Bleach Bit. So if we type in the word Bleach Bit, as long as you've got it installed. Okay, we're not going to use the root one, we're going to use the standard one. Then go to File, Shred Folders. Go to the folder that you want to erase or shred, click on it so you highlight it, then click Delete. It asks you to confirm, and these are the files that are going to be deleted and shredded. Click on Delete. It runs through and they've been securely deleted then. So the files and the folder have been securely deleted.
There you go, that's all done. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep coming back and I'm sure there'll be more videos to look at.